Hey, um, I'm gonna show you more of my Skylanders, right? You guys have seen Crusher, and you've also seen Bouncer, and as well as T-Rex, and Zook, my favorite, because he has a bazooka. Chill, the Ice Knight, Flashwing, Dragon, Ignitor, Fire Knight, Punchbox is Golem that turns into a monster, Cinder, Series 2, glows in the dark skull that's standing on, and my two new Skylanders, Gil Grunt. And the weird thing is, I got him from the new McDonald's meals. Yeah, so McDonald's is now serving Skylanders and kids meals. I went in and bought it. I don't like the kids meal, so yeah. And as well as Spyro, another McDonald's toy. Kinda sad because I can't play with them on my game, so. And there you have it. Two new Skylanders.